Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing footage so grading is efficient. Import your clips, make a sequence that matches frame rate and resolution, then add an adjustment layer for global changes. Once done, open the color workspace and enable Lumetri scopes so you can see RGB parade and waveform while you work. Next, apply a basic input LUT only if you need a baseline. Make small contrast and exposure moves first to avoid clipping highlights or crushing shadows. Now you tackle the middle of the job, correct tone and color. Start with basic correction, set exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows, then refine with curves and color wheels to sculpt midtones and overall balance. Use the Lumetri scopes to keep skin tones and luminance in check. For selective changes, switch to HSL secondary. Sample the hue, expand/falloff, and add a subtle correction. When applying a mask to isolate areas, use the built-in tracker so your adjustments stay locked to moving subjects. Finish by matching shots across the timeline with comparison view and shot match, then fine-tune manually to ensure continuity. Once matched, add creative touches, LUT, film grain, subtle vignette, and dial intensity down so skin tones remain realistic. Before exporting, set your sequence and export color space, Rec. 709 or required delivery space, and use maximum depth and render at high bitrate. If colors shift after export, make sure color management is enabled and try GPU rendering or export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.